so let's see what happens if we add that water into each ingredient. So we have baking soda first. See if it's soluble, if it disintegrates in water.
Oops.
Put a whole teaspoon on that baking soda, bud. So keep going. Here, a little bit more. Let's go back and see if it disintegrates. Let's get some more water. Let's get some more for that powdered sugar. Okay, so let's now try it with vinegar, bud. You did it with water. It looks like we have the flour that is not dissolving, not disintegrating, right? But look, what happened to our sugar and our salt? They totally disintegrated. And I see the powdered sugar's gone.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have a nice goopy mess over there. Let's come
now?
over here and see if we have a physical or chemical reaction with vinegar. So you need your dropper. This is going to be your vinegar. Uh-oh, you don't want to add a bunch of water in it. But let's see what happens. So scooping up that vinegar. Do you see bubbles? Add more vinegar. Let's see if we can make a big chemical reaction. Chemical reaction means bubbles!
Wow.
Isn't that cool? Is anything else bubbling yet? We know that baking soda is doing a brilliant job with bubbles. Sugar is not. Let's add some more vinegar to your bowl here, bud. What's gonna happen if you bring it, hey bud, what's gonna happen if you try the flour and cornstarch and powdered sugar? Let's see if anything happens. So now we're trying flour and cornstarch.
No.
Let's do a little more on that cornstarch and be certain. Look at that. No bubbles here, but definitely the baking soda had tons of bubbles. Baking soda and vinegar. Oh, you went back over to there. Instead of water, you're adding vinegar to the first experiment. Water did not do the chemical reaction, huh?
Cool.
So what did you learn?
Baking soda makes lots of bubbles.
With the vinegar. Yeah. And then we had some soluble too. What did we learn about solubles? That things can disintegrate in water. Like what? What disintegrated?
Like the salt
Yeah.
and sugar.
Yeah. So did you like this experiment today? Yeah, you're ready for more vinegar, huh? You're not done yet. Okay, let's add some more vinegar. I wonder if we can make an explosion outside someday with vinegar and baking soda. You want to add a little more baking soda? You can do that. Your teaspoon's here. You can dip it in there. Get a teaspoon. Let's dry it off, okay? There you go, buddy. Dip it in that baking soda. That one was the sugar. Where does it say baking soda? Yeah. So it's 1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, but you can add as much as you want to have your experiment. Let's hope the bubbles don't go over
Yeah.
onto the floor, because then you'll have a cleanup job, right? Wow, it's like a volcanic eruption. Awesome. I wonder if you baked that, what would happen? Just a bunch of hot liquid? Do you think we could make a pancake with the flour and water?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think so? Do you think you could make a pancake with vinegar and baking soda? No. That is not looking pretty. Let's see if it looks pretty over here with, oh look, it's hard.
Can I see the teaspoon?
We'll need to wash it because it's full of goopy goops. So why don't you take it under the sink? And no. Let's take it under the sink and wash it first. Thank you. Can you dry it with the towel next to you?
Where should I add this?
Wherever you'd like, buddy. If you want, you could put it in this bowl and see how much it bubbles in the bowl.
Have some more.
Vinegar?
Mm-hmm.
Of course. You can hear it make that chemical reaction, huh? You're liking it, huh?
I have a good idea.
What?
Can you get another of these?
Sure. Another bowl of vinegar?
Yeah.
What's your idea?
Like a big bowl. Can I have another one of these?
Sure. That happened quick, didn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So, bud, look. We have a ton in here.
Can
You want to add more? I
Yeah.
still have a bunch in
I
there.
watch this?
Okay. I think you need more vinegar.
Oh.
So when you pile a bunch of baking soda on there, you don't get much of a reaction, right? You need more vinegar to make its reaction. Now it's like a big, huge, globby powder mess with just a little. Look. Yeah. It's not goopy at all. It's thick. Well, that was a great experiment. Should we go get more vinegar
Where?
from the pantry? Say bye.